Morning, good morning. Hello family. How you guys doing? Well, anyway, I'm back again to share another greedy lady healthier meal diet. And what I'm showing you right now is some steamed cauliflower, which cauliflower is on my elimination list to see if this is going to give me heartburn or indigestion. One or the other is the way I'm describing it. Anyway, this is steamed cauliflower placed in a dishcloth that I am letting it cool down, and I'm going to squeeze all the excess water out. And then what I'm going to do is season this cauliflower up with some herbs, my seasonings, and then I'm going to use one of these containers here. It's a burrito shell, bowl shell pan, which I'm going to carefully press my cauliflower mixture into the shape of this tin pan here and make it, I'm going to try and make a cauliflower bowl. Hope I am successful, but I'm sharing this with you guys, and it's just an experiment. It might work, it might not work, and I hopefully can get the shell out of the tin, hopefully. So that's what I'm going to be working on today, making some cauliflower shell. And then I'm also going to have some turkey, some ground turkey that I'm going to flavor up, and that's going to be like a taco bowl, a cauliflower taco bowl, cauliflower taco bowl salad, or a taco bowl made from cauliflower. And then I'm going to have, you know, my regular vegetables, like a couple, some lettuce, no dairy. I don't do dairy at all. And I don't do grains. That's why I'm using the cauliflower as a means of making the bread for this taco shell. Well, anyway, let me get to work and try to make all this come true. Alright, good luck to me. I'll be back. Bye for now. I hope you guys can see this pretty good. Let me put a little light on here right quick. 1 second, just in case. I need to get me one of those ring lights. Right now I'm just using this little flashy lighty thing, which is really not a great job, but that's the little tin thing, that's the cauliflower, and that's the little dish rag that I'm about to squeeze all the water out. And then I'm going to flavor up the cauliflower, and then I'm going to place it in that mold and bake it till it's crispy, I hope. This is all what I'm trying to do, experiment with making a taco shell. Alrighty, I'll be back. Hey family, checking in to let you see the molds I am using to attempt to make some cauliflower taco shells so I can make me some taco bowls with my turkey meat and vegetables. Here's the big mold, and I also have some small silicone molds that I think they'll be easier to get out of the shell because of the silicone. Let me show you guys. See that red one? So I have some silicone molds, and I have this tin mold. Where did I get this tin mold? Probably Amazon. It's a taco bowl mold, or whatever you want to mold in here, you can. So this is what I'm making my molds using to make my molds with the silicone and the tin mold. So let me get back at it. I'll be back with the next part of the, why am I losing my train of thought? I'll be back when I'm further along with this demonstration of trying to make molds out of some cauliflower. Alright, be back, family. Hey family, I'm back sharing my homemade cauliflower taco shells. They came out alright. Now I know, as you can see, the mold from that one and the red silicone cupcake molds. This is what they look like. So they taste pretty good. It's cauliflower, and they do have like a cornmeal-y texture in my mouth, like corn chips. And the cauliflower taste, I guess because I put the herb seasoning, it's not as intense of a cauliflower flavor. It's pretty good for me anyway. It's something for me to have as a corn chip that I can eat that won't break me out. Now, as far as me knowing will it give me heartburn, I have to pay attention to that now in my new diet. The way I eat now, the foods that I'm choosing to eat now. My allergy is autoimmune. If you guys paid attention in my last video, I was telling you I'm allergic to grains. So this is an alternative way for me to have a taco shell to fill up with some of my favorite foods or some delicious foods. I'm going to be using some ground turkey flavored up for a taco salad or taco bowl. These are my bowls. And I also can use the little smaller ones, as you know, as chips. I want to make a taco plate. Put it, no dairy, just some cut up lettuce, tomatoes, olives, and just whatever I'm going to put on here to make my foods look and taste delicious. So yeah, it did work. Voila, I made a shell out of cauliflower. Yes, I did that. Yes, yes. But remember, if you guys use cauliflower, you have to get the water out of the cauliflower. You have to squeeze that water out. That's a big key to making this. Oh, and next time I will try to do a tostada too. That'll be good too, because I know how to flavor my meat up and put all the fixings on here. So yeah, it turned out pretty good, family. The color is pretty. I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but it looks like cornmeal. And I'm allergic to corn. That's a grain. I don't eat corn anymore. That stuff, ooh, Lord Jesus, no more, none of that. But anyway, I'm glad to be sharing that I did accomplish making some shells with these molds. Family, my camera cut off. I'll be back. I'm going to charge my camera with the other results of all the food put together in these shells. All right, bye for now. Later. Okay, family, I'm back with the finished product. I have my cauliflower taco shell filled with turkey, ground, what is this? Turkey taco meat that I cooked. I cooked taco meat from turkey, ground turkey. Okay, there we go. And I filled up my cauliflower taco shells with the turkey meat, and I added some lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and olives. And also on my plate is some cantaloupe. So I'm about to tear down on this, and I put the scoop shells up for another day. I'm just going to eat the larger molded cauliflower taco shells today. And my turkey taco meat is so well seasoned. So I'm really going to enjoy this, and I'm going to share with this with you guys on YT. So again, family, thanks for watching my videos and being around while I entertain you with some of my greedy lady healthier meals diet. Alright, so that's about it. Oh, I did taste this, so I think I mentioned already that the shells are delicious, and I'm going to keep experimenting with making these shells until I get a better consistency where the edges aren't too brown and the bowls are better shaped. But I think I did a great job for the first time anyway. Okay, and also coming up, I have a garden update. I have a couple of plants I want to share with you guys. Something I got for Valentine's Day, so be looking out for that in a video coming soon. Alright, family, thanks for watching. Bye for now.